Imagine a crowded room in New York City. The air is thick with excitement. Cheers echo off the walls. Lights flash from cameras. A young man steps onto the stage. His face glows with hope. This is Zohran Mamdani. He has just won the election for mayor. "We have made history," he says. The crowd roars. This was the moment everything changed. Can you imagine standing there? The energy, the dreams coming true. This is the story of Zohran Mamdani, a man who rose from far away to lead the biggest city in America. Welcome to my channel, Slow English Stories for Shadowing. Here, we share inspiring biographies in clear, slow English, perfect for you to repeat and practice speaking. If you enjoy this, like the video, subscribe for more, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in every new story. Now let's begin Zohran's tale. From the beginning, picture a sunny morning in Kampala, Uganda. The year is 1991, October 18th. A baby boy is born. His name is Zohran Mamdani. His father, Mahmoud, is a smart teacher. He studies big ideas about the world. His mother, Mira, makes beautiful movies. She tells stories on film. Zohran's family has roots in India, but they live in Uganda now. The home is full of books, laughter, and love. Young Zohran plays in the worn dirt. He hears birds singing, smells fresh rain on the earth. His parents teach him kindness. They show him the world is big, full of different people. But life changes soon. When Zohran is 5, the family moves to Cape Town, South Africa. His father gets a new job at a university. Zohran sees new places. Table Mountain towers high. The ocean waves crash. He learns to adapt, to make friends anywhere. Life is full of changes. This was the start of Zohran's journey. 2 years later, Zohran is 7. The family packs their bags again. They fly to New York City, America. The plane lands. Skyscrapers reach the sky. Yellow taxis zoom by. The air smells of hot dogs and pretzels. They settle in Morningside Heights, a neighborhood near a big park, Central Park. Zohran feels excited, but a little scared. Everything is so fast, so loud. His parents work hard. Father teaches at Columbia University. Mother directs films. Zohran goes to Bank Street School on the Upper West Side. In class, he raises his hand. He runs for class president. Even as a kid, he talks about equal rights, no wars, more schools, less fighting. Can you imagine? A young boy with big ideas, standing up for what he believes. In 2003, Zohran is 12. His family goes back to Uganda for a year. He attends school there with family. He speaks Luganda, the local language. He plays soccer in the streets. Dust flies up. Laughter fills the air. This trip connects him to his roots. Uganda feels like home too. Back in New York, Zohran grows taller. He attends Bronx High School of Science, a smart school. He graduates in 2010. He starts a cricket team, plays soccer, runs for student vice president. He loses, but learns. Never give up. Give up. This lesson stays with him. Now, Zohran is 18. He goes to Bowdoin College in Maine, a quiet place. Snowy winters, green forests. He studies Africana studies, learns about Africa, history, people. He graduates in 2014. At college, Zohran finds his voice. He starts a group, Students for Justice in Palestine. They talk about fairness, peace in the world. He writes for the ski newspaper, Kwame's column Nalu. Funny name, serious words. He writes about rights, about boycotts, standing against wrong. One day, he co-writes an article in a big newspaper, urging his college to join a boycott against unfair policies. The president disagrees, but Zohran stands firm. This is who he is. A fighter for justice. College ends. Zohran feels ready to help others to make change. Can you feel his passion burning inside? Back in New York, Zohran needs a job. He becomes a housing counselor. In Queens, a busy borough, full of immigrants, hard workers. He helps people keep their homes when banks want to take them away. Foreclosure, a scary word. Imagine a family at the door, papers in hand, eviction notice, tears in eyes. Zohran sits with them, listens, fights for them. He sees the pain. High rents, low wages. This fuels his fire. Housing for all, affordable, safe. He works with lower income people, many from other countries. Like his family once was. He learns Spanish to help more. He already speaks English, Hindi, Bengali, Luganda, Arabic, 5 languages or more. Housing for all. This becomes his mission, but Zohran has another side, music. He loves rap, hip-hop. He becomes young Cardamom, a rapper. He makes songs with beats, words that tell stories. In 2016, he releases an EP, Sita Mukyalo, with a Ugandan friend, Hab. They perform at a festival, Nega Nega, in Jinja, Uganda. Crowds dance, lights pulse, music unites. In 2019, as Mr. Cardamom, he makes Nani, a song for his grandmother. Sweet, loving. The video has famous people, like Madhur Jaffrey. Zohran helps his mother too, for her film, Queen of Katwe. He makes the soundtrack, gets nominated for an award, even acts a little. 3rd assistant director. Can you hear the music? In his heart, rhythm of change. Music teaches him to express, to connect. The year 2015, Zohran volunteers for a city council campaign. Ali Najmi, inspired by a story in the news. He knocks on doors, talks to voters, feels the power of people together. In 2017, he joins a group, Democratic Socialists of America, DSA. They believe in fairness for workers, for all. Zohran manages more campaigns. Kader El Yatim, Ross Barkan, Tiffany Caban. He learns wins and losses. One day, he decides, I will run for New York State Assembly, District 36, in Queens, Astoria, Long Island City. October 2019, he announces, I want to fight for housing, for justice, for people. The DSA supports him. He runs against a longtime leader, Aravella Simotas. The primary in June 2020. Tense, votes counted slow. Finally, victory! Zohran wins. In November, no opponent. He becomes assembly member. January 1st, 2021. This was the moment. Politics becomes his path. This was the moment. In the assembly, Zohran works hard. He joins committees, aging, cities, energy, more. He speaks for Muslims, for Asians, for new Americans. He starts a bus program, fare free. People ride without paying. It helps many, saves money. He joins a hunger strike with taxi drivers. They need help. Debts too high. Zohran stands with them. No food for days until change comes. He sponsors bills for healthcare, for environment, for schools. Some become law, others wait. But he pushes, re-elected in 2022 and 2024. No one runs against him. People trust Zohran. He speaks at big events. DSA Convention, 2023. We can build a better world. His words inspire. Can you see him? In the Capitol, fighting every day. October 2024. Zohran looks at New York. Problems big, rents high, buses slow, people struggle. He announces, I will run for mayor. His ideas, free buses, childcare for all, grocery stores owned by the city, affordable. Rent freezes, more homes, safety without fear, higher wages. By 2030, $30 an hour. In his speech, he quotes leaders, Nehru, Debs, we have a tryst with destiny. We have a tryst with destiny. History made. Amid the busy life, Zohran finds love. In 2021, on an app, Hinge, he meets Rama Duwaji, an animator, illustrator. They talk, laugh, fall in love. October 2024, he proposes, engaged. Then a private ceremony, nikah, Muslim way. February 2025, City Hall wedding, civil. July 2025, Big celebration in Uganda. Family dances. Joy everywhere. They live in Astoria, Queens, near Steinway Street. Busy, diverse. Zohran loves sports. Arsenal soccer team. Cheers loud. Cricket. He started a team in school. Wrestling. All elite. Knicks basketball. He goes to games, even during campaigns. He owns a share in a soccer club, Real Oviedo, in Spain, since 2012 to save it. Can you picture his home? Full of art, music, laughter. Zohran Mamdani, mayor-elect of New York City. He starts January 1st, 2026. What will he do? Build a fair city for workers, families, all. His story teaches us, from Uganda to New York, hard work, kindness, never give up. Stand for justice. Use your voice, music or politics. Make change. This was the moment everything changed for Zohran, for the city. Never give up. What can you learn from Zohran? Dream big. Help others. The world needs you. Thank you for shadowing with me. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next story.